good. You're good. This is good. Fuck out my whole relationship if you do.
Here's Mario drunk. In date rape mode.
Go fuck yourself. Don't mention the word date rape. That's messed up because...
This is how we keep Mario in check.
Carry that around.
I have fear of the internet.
Carry that around all night.
Yes, Mario, get another drink.
That's mine.
Wait, prick.
Wait, that's mine.
Go get your third bottle of vodka.
Really? No, shit looks mine.
Good job, Mario. That was a great catch.
No. Hey.
There's like the 78 ass slap for the night.
You know what, that's seriously do not put that on there. That's not cool, man. Not cool. It's not cool at all, man. Actually, honestly, Dan, this is let's just give her away. Gina can actually pay some pretty fucking mean Soul Calibur. So we should probably do that. Gina. Yeah. I want to actually see you whoop his ass on Soul Calibur.
So, sober caliber?
You don't go fuck yourself, Dan.
I think that vodka's did a pretty good job of kicking your ass's sober caliber.
Mario's gonna quit drinking tomorrow.
You're gonna quit drinking tomorrow. No, then why should I?
That's right, my pretty. Drink your alcohol.
You can only maintain because you have a little... Don't fuck yourself, you bastard. She's sucking those, my